that was 333. A new set of card. I would like to read the guidebook for this one. This is so beautiful. And let's see what's here. Says, soul retrieval. This card can appear for two reasons. Firstly, because a lost part of your soul is wanting to return home to you. Sometimes the loss, shame, or hurt we experience is too great and part of our soul leaves our body. When this happens, it can feel like part of us is missing or as if we're not quite ourselves. Secondly, it can be because your soul is trying to get your attention. Perhaps you've been spending too much time living from your head rather than your heart. Maybe your soul is longing for you to listen to it, to express it, to spend time with it. This card can come as a warning to wake up and remember the soul. The soul can be likened to both the ancient wise part of you and the divine child within. The ancient Greeks spoke of two different types of time, Chronos time and Kairos time. Chronos time is linear time, logical time, the time of the mind. Kairos time is soul time, creative time, mystical time. This card is inviting you to spend more time here in Kairos time. What does your soul most want you to do? What's your soul most yearning for? How do you feel most connected to your soul? How can you call more and more of your soul back into your body and the center of your life? That was 111. So, inner temple activation. Wow, just mentioned it earlier, like calling your energy back. But this one is like specific to the soul. Says, I call all parts of my soul to be here now. And that's so beautiful. Oh, that's really... I was looking at the sunset, still like looking golden. Okay. Okay, let's get more then